Hi guys, welcome to Pradev's channel. Hope everyone is doing good and staying safe. For gardening videos, so please visit my channel and I have playlists and I have a separate playlist for gardening and I have all my gardening videos here. If you are interested, please check out. In this video, we will see things to know before planting fruit trees. So growing fruit trees which is organic and fresh at home is really good and feels good. But before you plant, right, there are a lot of things need to know. So let's go one by one in depth and we understand so where to buy, which one to pick up and how to take care of these plants. First step in growing fruit trees is you have to decide what to grow. So when I say what to grow, you have to decide which fruits you like. So it's not like your neighbor bought some apple and you have to buy apple. Even in apple, right, there are a lot of different varieties. You need to know which one to buy and which one you like and what is the taste. And there are like different varieties of fruits. You have apples, peach, plum, and there are so many, right? Like first thing is you have to decide which one you like and which one is good. And that is the very first step in growing fruit trees. Once you decide on a tree which one to buy, the next very important thing you need to know is pollination. What is pollination? So pollination is for every tree to yield fruits, it needs to be pollinated. So there are different types of trees or fruit trees or plants, right? Where like some needs pollinator and some are self-pollinator. It is very important you need to know what tree you selected. Like take example, you selected apple tree, right? And you need to make sure when you buy that apple tree, is it self-pollinator or it need a pollinator. When I say it need a pollinator, you need to buy another tree which can pollinate. If take example, right, like I bought apple, so I bought a Gala apple. But for Gala apple, so I need a pollinator. There is a list of pollinator trees I can buy, but I got a Honeycrisp, which is a pollinator for Gala. So it's very important you need to buy these two trees to pollinate or to get more yield. To know about pollination, the best thing is if you have decided on a tree, go to Google and search for that tree and which are the other pollinator trees. You can get to know there. Or when you go to the store, if you have selected a tree, on back of the label you can see the list of pollinators which you can buy. Or you can ask a store person there, so which one to buy, which is a pollinator you can buy with this tree, so they can suggest you. The next step is pick the right trees. So that, right, like you have to go to the store and pick your trees. So first thing is you decided on your trees, so which one to buy, and next step is you have to go to some farm or go to the store, Lowe's or Home Depot, and buy your trees. So when you buy a tree, it's very important that, right, you don't buy a small tree. So make sure it is minimum like 5 to 6 feet big. So because, right, like if you buy a small tree, it takes like years to get fruits. Right, if you see here, so this is the one which I got from Lowe's, which is a peach, and which is almost a 6 feet height, and also this has lot of leaves. Right, it's very important when you buy tree, right, make sure it has good height and it is very old, and also it has nice leaves, and also it also check for the flowers. Right, if you are buying this in spring, right, check for the flowers. If the flowers are coming, that is really good sign, right? Once you plant it, it will start growing, and within 1 or 2 years you can start getting fruits. So it's very important, check on this, and never try growing fruits from seeds. It will take years to get fruits, and better, my suggestion is go with the bigger one. And yeah, you may spend a bit more now, but like within 1 year or 2 years you will start getting fruits. Or if you spend less now, you have to wait for years to get the fruits. So the next step is when, where, and how to plant the tree. So first very important thing is when to plant this tree. So the best time to plant is spring. So spring is the right time where you can get the tree from store and you can plant it. And where to plant? So it's very important, right? You have to look into your backyard and make sure you have enough space. And for each tree, right, each tree to next tree, it should be minimum 6 feet or 6 to 10 feet away, because like after like 1 or 2 years, right, it will start growing and it needs some space. So it is better maintain minimum, I would say, like 8 to 10 feet for each tree. So and how to plant the tree, right? So one thing is, once you select the location, so I would say give like maybe 2 feet, like once you, if you see the pot, right, give 1 feet from the pot. So and start digging, like if you see here, right, I'm digging and I'm removing all the grass. And just dig like how much your pot is, like your pot height is almost like 1 feet. So just dig as much as 1 feet, and like whatever the soil you get on the pot, right, it should go underneath the earth. So that's how you have to dig. And like I'm doing the same thing now. So once you are done with digging, so slowly remove the tree from the pot, and first loosen the pot and then remove the tree slowly, and make sure you don't disturb the roots. Be careful when you are removing the tree from the pot. And if you see here, like I have done the hole as much as my pot, and make sure that, right, it that whole pot or whole soil goes under the ground, and where you can put it, and you can close with the same soil. And very important here is, don't put any garden soil or any other soil. Please use the same soil, because the tree is very new to the ground now, or the new location. So if you put a good organic or good like nutrition soil, like tree will think that, right, the roots will think like this ground is very good, and it will start using it. But when it start going to the main ground, so it may be a shock to the tree. So please, that is my suggestion, and that is what I have done a research. And looking into all the Google, that's what I understood. Don't use any garden soil. Put the same soil, just close it. And also, right after you close, and so here, like I thought the ring is very small, I'm digging bit more, and in future I'm planning to put some rocks surrounding. So that's one thing. And one more thing, right, after you put all the soil, and once you have a proper ring, please press properly and make sure that, right, the root is stiffly holding the soil. So you have to press nicely, like I'll show you in some time, right? So if you see here, like I'm pressing it, this is very important. The root should not be loose, because it should tightly hold the soil. So same thing I did for my apple tree. So this is Honeycrisp apple tree, and I do have a Gala apple, so which is a pollinator for this. So I'm planting that now. So once you have planted the tree, the next step is you have to put some mulch. And don't put any colored mulch. And this is a mulch which is very 2 years old, which I used in my front ad. So I'm using the same old mulch, but use a real natural mulch, and we should not be using any colored mulch here. So that's very important. The last step is you have to water your tree, because it's been like so many days it was in store, and you bought it, and you have put in a new location. Please water it thoroughly. Make sure the complete ground is wet, and that is the last step. And now, like once you have watered, so that is the final, and you have planted your tree. So after few weeks, I saw like my peach tree started giving fruit. And if you see here, like I saw like around three fruits coming, and I was so happy to see that. This is the Honeycrisp apple tree. So when I got from store, there was no leaves, and now like you can see the leaves started growing. So this is how, if you see, like I've maintained around 6 feet here. And one more thing what I have heard, and like even like what I have read, is when you plant the tree, and once it starts giving fruit, People say that like better you remove the flowers or remove the fruits, so that right the roots will get stronger. So maybe after 1 year, so you can start growing fruits. But like I was really happy to see the fruits, so I didn't remove it. Just that you are aware. So once planting is done, so the next is you have to care your fruit tree. So it's very important, you have to take care of these things. First one is pruning. So wherever the unwanted branches and those things, right, you have to regularly pruning, and mainly the pruning is done in the winter. And next is inspect. You have to make sure you check your tree every day and make sure it is not attacked by any insects, or is there any diseases or anything. If there is anything, right, you have to take the precautions. And next, watering. So normally what I have seen is the watering the trees weekly once or twice, fully watering, right, it's not like just watering, so that should be enough. So next is fertilizer. Make sure your tree gets proper nutrition. So it's very important, use some organic fertilizer which is particular for fruit trees. Or what you can do is you can put some compost around the on the top, so that it can penetrate and roots can get it. And the next thing is spread the branches. It's very important that the tree should not be just growing tall, it should be spread across, and there should be lot of branches. Hope you liked this video. So if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and for more videos. So happy gardening.